Introduction. Welcome to our channel. Are you an aspiring content creator diving into the world of video editing using Capcut? Stay tuned as we unravel the secrets to crafting captivating videos while sidestepping common pitfalls. Get ready to enhance your editing prowess. Common mistakes to avoid. Starting off, let's tackle the first challenge many encounter, the stubborn Capcut logo that finds its way onto our videos. Imagine the sleek professionalism your video can exude once we've successfully bid farewell to that watermark. Now, picture the scenario: you're scrolling through a video, and it's a visual whirlwind of effects. While Capcut offers a plethora of effects, it's essential to wield them judiciously. Think quality over quantity. A subtle hint of an effect can sometimes have a more remarkable impact than a deluge of them. As you sync your visuals, don't underestimate the importance of audio. Think about the videos you've watched where the sound was just a tad too loud, or maybe barely audible. We'll delve into the art of balancing audio levels, ensuring your viewers have a harmonious auditory experience. Once you've perfected your masterpiece, it's time to hit that export button. But wait, are you exporting it in the correct format? Each platform has its preferred format, be it Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok. Let's decipher the export puzzle together. Last but not least, have you ever lost hours of edits because you forgot to save along the way? We've all been there. I'll share a method to safeguard your progress, allowing you to experiment without fear of losing your creative journey. Additional tips for quality editing. Now that we've demystified those common missteps, let's venture into the realm of advanced techniques. Imagine you're watching a video, and the visuals are pixelated and blurry, not an engaging experience, right? I'll walk you through the significance of sourcing high-quality footage. From crisp visuals to captivating content, this step is a game changer. Before you dive into editing, think about the story you want to tell. Planning your edits can be likened to creating a blueprint for your video. Consider it a roadmap that guides you through the editing process, steering you clear of unnecessary detours. While we all have our go-to effects, don't hesitate to experiment with the plethora Capcut offers. For instance, try combining a subtle color correction with a touch of slow motion. The results might pleasantly surprise you and add a unique flair to your video. Understanding common mistakes. Ever pondered why these errors are so commonplace? Let's explore the underlying factors. Firstly, consider that Capcut, while powerful, is still relatively fresh in the world of editing tools. As with anything new, there's a learning curve involved. Don't be disheartened, we're here to smoothen that curve. Moreover, Capcut's mobility is both a boon and a challenge. Editing on a mobile device offers convenience but can sometimes compromise precision. This is where mastering the pinch and zoom technique becomes your best friend. Lack of in-app guidance can lead to confusion, resulting in missteps. Imagine if you had an editing mentor by your side, navigating the intricate details would be a breeze. Importance of avoiding mistakes. The repercussions of these mistakes are far-reaching. Let's unravel their impact. Your video's quality hinges on avoiding these errors. Imagine a canvas where colors blend seamlessly, rather than clash in discord. Your video is that canvas, and precision is your palette knife. Engagement is key, and mistakes can be engagement's nemesis. Think of a video as a conversation. Clarity and coherence keep your audience tuned in. Minimize distractions, and your content will be their main focus. Conclusion. In conclusion, Capcut is your creative playground, and now you're equipped with knowledge to navigate it adeptly. Remember, it's not just about avoiding pitfalls, it's about embracing techniques that elevate your content. As you embark on your editing journey, keep in mind that the road to mastery is paved with practice. Embrace the learning process, and soon, you'll find your signature style. Thank you for joining me on our channel. Until next time, happy editing!